Ayan, so here is the next sample problem natin. Next sample problem natin is ito. Sample problem number 9, CE Board, May 2018. So here is the problem. For lack of mercury, an improved barometer uses a liquid which was observed to weigh 0.735 times that of mercury. So at the base of the mountain, the barometer reads 850 mm. Concurrently, another barometer of the same kind of the top of a mountain reads 600 mm. So assuming the unit weight of air to be constant of 12 Newton per cubic meter. So evaluate the height of mountain in kilometer. So dito, meron tayong mountain. Ayan. Makikita nyo sa figure. So ayan, for example, ito yung mountain daw natin. So meron tayong barometer dito sa baba which reads 850 mm. And then, another barometer is dito sa may top which is 600 mm. Ayan, so let's say ito is point 0.1 and then ito 0.2 or the P2. Ayan. So pinapahanap sa atin is yung height ng mountain. Ayan. And then meron tayong given na unit weight ng air which is given. Ayan, unit weight ng air is 12 Newton per cubic meter. So, from the formula na pressure, diba, pressure is equal to gamma H. So, meron tayong dalawang pressure sa taas ng mountain at sa baba ng mountain. So, point P2 minus P1 is equal to gamma H. Yan. So, gamma H 2 minus gamma H ng 0.1 is equal to gamma or the unit weight ng air times the H or ito yung magiging height ng mountain natin. So, dito is yung unit weight ng water, so in Newton na lang siya, isama natin, ano natin sa unit weight ng water, so naka-Newton, so 9, 8, 10 Newton per cubic meter times specific gravity ng mercury which is 13.6 and then times, ito, so merong ano dito, so times 0.735 times that of mercury. So, mag-times tayo dito ng 0.735 dito sa specific gravity ng mercury. So, 0.735 times yung ito yung 0.2 natin. So, may height dito na 850 mm. So, gawin nating meter. So, 0.85 meter na lang yan. Ayan. So, minus natin yung ito sa taas. So, 0.1 natin on the pressure 1. So, 9, 8, 10 Newton per cubic meter times the specific gravity of mercury times daw natin sa 0.735 yung mercury na specific gravity ng mercury times yung height which is yung 600. So magiging 0.6 na lang siya meter is equal to yung unit weight ng air is 12 Newton per cubic meter times the H. So, h now, ayan, so h is, compute natin, input natin sa calculator, minus times 13.6 times 0.735 times 0.6 divided by 12. So the answer would be 2,042.9 993 meter. So, meter yung, ano natin, so makancel na to, yung mga, ano dito is makakancel na yan. So, matitira is, itong mga tumakancel na yan. Ayan, so matitira is, ito, meter. Pero ang hinahanap is in kilometer. So, take note, di ba, ang 1 kilometer ay equal siya sa 1,000 meter. So, i-convert natin into kilometer. So 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. So cancel. So yung magiging final answer natin in terms of kilometer is 2.04293 kilometer. So yan. So that would be our answer for sample problem number 9. So yan, ito daw yung height ng mountain natin. So yung height ng mountain natin is 2.042 kilometer. So yun,